Our first website is called Kolotibablo.com. Kolotibablo has been working since 2007, and they are not planning to go anywhere. Instantly withdraw earned money to different payment systems or send it to another account. Many of the people who have worked for them have reported that they are receiving their payments on schedule. They may pay up to $1 more for every 1,000 captchas. Kolotibablo utilizes a rating system the greater the degree of accuracy, so they will need to put in a little more effort initially. But with time, you'll be able to land a highly profitable position on the platform. Now I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your result. But before you start, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, go down to the bottom, hit that subscribe button, and turn on all notifications, so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. Now let's get back to the video. Our next website is called Megatypers.com. Megatypers is one of the most popular online labor websites. Megatypers will pay you using various options including PayPal, debit cards, bank checks, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Haza, and Western Union. Megatypers.com is a workforce management company that provides data entry services to private and governmental institutions. Their main goal is to support our clients' digitization requirements by converting scanned papers into editable digital documents. Their services also include image-to-text recognition, transcription from voice to text, and assisting the visually impaired to overcome the internet's visual challenges. They are currently looking for typers from around the globe. All you need to work with them is a computer with an internet connection and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. Their schedules are flexible. You can work at any hour that you want. The quicker you order, the more typer credits you earn, which can be exchanged for dollar currency. Megatypers is fantastic for mothers who stay at home, parents who need a second job, students, and people between jobs. How much you earn depends on the amount of work that you do. Their top typers make between $100 typer credits and $250 typer credits each month. Their payment rates start from 45-cent typer credits for each 1,000-word image typed and go as high as up to $1.5 typer credits for every 1,000 words typed. Typer credits can be automatically exchanged for a dollar currency. Our next website is called Solvecaptcha.com. It works pretty much the same as the previous website. But with this website, you will make a bit more money by typing in captchas. Now you may be wondering how much you will earn at the end of the day. It depends on your work ethic and how fast you can type in words. If you want to start making money by solving captchas on this website, simply click on the Create an Account button right here. After that, simply fill in your basic information, and you are ready for work. Our next website is called Rupee4Click.com. You can earn money by completing captchas, clicking ads, completing offers, and referring new members. You will get paid on net 7 basis, which means you get paid every week. The withdrawal request is processed on average within 1 working day. This is a leading cost per referral advertisement company which offers get paid for referral link service. They have leading companies within their network for referral advertisements. All you have to do is click on this register button right here. Once you do that, enter your full name, email, password, payment currency, and click on this sign up button. By doing that, you are able to make money with this website. Our next website is called Captcha.com. This is probably one of the most popular websites online, where you can earn real cash for typing in simple captchas. For those who don't know what captchas are, there are numerous types of images that cannot be recognized automatically. Those images can be solved or typed in manually by real humans. And this website actually pays people for doing exactly that. Here is an example of a typical captcha. You can see some letters here. They either look blurry or distorted in most cases, so artificial intelligence cannot recognize them automatically. Once the captcha has been solved correctly, you will get credited with a certain amount of money. You may wonder how much you can actually make by typing and solving those captchas. If we scroll down, we can see that users get paid on average 25 to 30 cents per 1,000 captchas they solve, which doesn't appear to be much money, but you have to consider the simplicity of this task. This website allows you to easily earn extra money on the internet. It's not big money, but you can be sure that you will receive each cent you've made and you will not be scammed. You can set your own work schedule. You can solve captcha whenever you like. Once you earn your first money, you can ask for a payout and choose from various payout options, including PayPal, WebMoney, or Alipay. To get started, come up here and click on the button that says Sign Up. Once you click on that, you will land on this page. This is a straightforward registration process. All you have to do is enter your email address password, re-enter your password, check this terms and condition box, and click on this Continue button. Once you register, you will also see a page that looks like this. So make sure that you choose I am a worker over here. Then click on Next. After that, you will have access to your dashboard, which will look like this. Here you can track your balance. You can see your balance of what you earned today. Now come up here and click where it says Start Work. Click on that button right here. After that, you will land on this training page. Now click on this Start button right here and come down here and enter this number that you see inside the box. After that, click on the Enter button. Then it will verify your entry and show you a message whether you entered the correct CAPTCHA or not. If you solved it correctly, you will get paid for that. Now all you have to do is keep repeating this process. It's as simple as that. You can probably do hundreds of these within an hour if you can type fast. By doing this, you can make money with this website. Now I will show you how you can withdraw your earned money. For that, go back over to the dashboard and click on the Payout button right here. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. Here you can choose your payment method and can withdraw your money. I recommend you test all of the websites and analyze some of the elements such as who pays genuinely on time, where you are more comfortable working, and where you can earn more money in a shorter period. You can test several freelancing platforms such as freelancer.com, Upwork, and others. They allow you to look for CAPTCHA entry employment. This type of employment is advertised regularly by many companies on that site. That's it for today's video. I hope that this video may benefit those who are not looking to generate significant sums of money. Working as a CAPTCHA solver is a wonderful online typing job for individuals looking to make from the comfort of their own home. Give us a like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Also, hit the bell icon to make sure you definitely won't miss any of my future videos on making money online.